Pretty cool, right? Now here's the crazy part. This entire music video was made starting with just one image and simple AI prompts. No cameras, no expensive equipment, nothing. And in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how I did it, so you can make one too. I know what you're thinking. Music videos usually cost thousands of dollars, require huge teams, and take weeks to finish. But thanks to these new AI tools, you can do it on your own, for free or close to free. Let me show you how. The first thing we need is the song itself. For that, I'm using Suno. For those who don't know, Suno is an AI music generator where you can just in your ideas and generate full songs with vocals and instruments. I covered some amazing tips and tricks for Suno AI in 2 of my previous videos. Feel free to check it out, you won't regret it. Anyway, let's go to Suno Create, and here you can type in what you need to create. I'm thinking of creating a pop dance kind of vibrant song with a female singer for our example, in similar vibes of Dua Lipa. So let's type that idea in our prompt box. Let Suno write the lyrics and hit generate. Here we are. Suno has generated 2 versions for our song.
Electric fever in the air. We're alive, no time to spare. Move your body, don't you care? Electric fever everywhere.
I like this one the best, so let's download it. That's it. We now have the backbone of our project, the song. Next, we need the star of the video, our singer. For this, you can generate a character model or upload one you already have. Well, I'm no model myself, so I'm going to create a character for our music video using AI. You can actually use any AI image generator tool for this, but with their latest update with the Nano Banana model as well, I'm just going to use Google's Gemini app for our image needs. For our example, I'm thinking a pop singer with bright pink hair and a sparkly silver jacket would be perfect for the vibe of our video. So let's type in a detailed prompt for it and hit generate. And within seconds, we have a high-quality image for our character model. Looks perfect for our hero image, so let's save it carefully because we'll be reusing it in every step to keep the look consistent. Now that I have my character image, now is the time to try out some lip syncing. For this, I will be using an AI tool called Lemonslice AI. It is quite a versatile AI tool that definitely deserves a standalone coverage, but maybe that's for another time. Here we can select our generated image, but remember that you can generate your model image within Lemonslice AI tool itself as well. They have these cool image generator models like Flux and Imogen, so you can just type a prompt and generate your model from here too. Anyway, let's upload our generated model image from Gemini. Next, we can upload our audio track from Suno. Now, Lemonslice has both inputs, the face and the voice. Then we can choose the model. Model 2.5 lets you lip sync the entire song, up to 5 minutes long. Model 2.7 makes shorter 10-second clips, but adds subtle background motion, which looks more natural. And we have a couple video generation modes, but this time I'm just going to keep it auto-select and let AI figure it out. Let's select our 10-second portion from the song that we want to create the lip sync for. Click Generate. Wait a minute, and there it is. Let's check this out.
They paint the floor, heartbeats knocking on the door, tick-tock spin round and round.
Wow, that's pretty good, right? The lip movements are well synced with the vocals of our song. It already feels like a music video. Most people stop here, but if you only make a single lip sync shot, your video will look flat. The real magic comes in building a full world around your character. Let's do that next. Okay, so now we need a variety of shots and scenes for our dynamic music video. For the first step, let's create the scenarios we need as high-quality still images. This gives us maximum control over the look and feel. For this, we're using the latest Nano Banana model from Gemini, which is incredible for keeping our singer looking almost the same in every shot. Plus, it's completely free and unlimited, so you have freedom to experiment with your scenes. Let's head to the Gemini app again and go to the image creating tool. I've uploaded my model image as the character reference. Great. Now, I just need to describe the scenes I want. First up, the big one, the concert stage. This will be for our high-energy chorus. And here we are. I really like this one, but if you don't like the output, you can indeed regenerate again by clicking this redo button. Next, I need a moodier shot for the verses. A classic night drive scene. The prompt for that is, here we go. That too looks pretty good. Yes, this is terrific. And for another chorus location, we need a vibrant club scene. So I'm using, finally, for those quieter, more emotional moments, a simple B-roll close-up. The prompt is just, this result is very similar to our original character image, but anyway, we'll use this as well. And just like that, we have our 4 key shots for the entire video, all perfectly composed with a consistent character ready to animate and lip sync. Now we take those beautiful still images and bring them to life. This is where VEO-3 comes in. We're going to use its image to video function. I'll upload each image one by one and give the AI a simple prompt describing the motion I want to see. For the concert stage image, I'll prompt, see? We're just adding that little bit of life. For the night drive image, the motion is key. Let's prompt. This will make it feel like the car is actually moving. That one's perfect. For the club scene, we want energy, so let's type the prompt accordingly. And for that close-up shot, we want something simple but powerful. Let's type this. And there we have it. We've turned our 4 character photographs into 4 living, breathing video clips. Now let's create a couple B-roll scenes to support our character shots too. Here, I will just type a prompt to create a video of a disco ball in VEO-3's text-to-video feature. And maybe one more of an abstract tunnel. And maybe an empty stage. Create as your vision, guys. I'm just going wild here for our example. Now we have all the footage for our video. Before we jump into editing, let's add lip sync to the animated clips too. For this, let's go back to Lemonslice and apply lip sync to these new character clips that we generated. Here you can select the video clip and select the part of the audio that you want your character to sing. Be mindful here on which parts you choose, because it is important to structure the final video. And here's the point where most people mess up. When you select the clips for input on Lemonslice AI, always make sure to choose shots where the head is stable and the lips are visible in the shot. If there's too much motion or Lemonslice cannot track the lip-synced outcome might get warped. And also, you will notice that the free tier of Lemonslice gives you 25 daily credits to play with. While you can, of course, work with a couple accounts, I would totally recommend the paid plan as well, which is truly a steal at $8 with no watermark and commercial use. You already see how good this AI tool is. Anyway, just like that, we have multiple lip-sync performances for our music video now. Okay, this is the moment we've been working towards. We have all the pieces of the puzzle. Our song, our animated character scenes, B-roll shots, and now our main lip-sync performances. It's time to assemble everything into our finished music video. For this, I'm using CapCut, but of course, any video editor will do. I'll bring all our assets into CapCut. The music track from Suno, our lip-sync clips, our animated scenes, and our B-roll. The key here is timing. I line up the lip-sync clips with the exact parts of the song where vocals play. Then, let's fill in the instrumental sections with animated shots and quick B-roll cuts that match the beat. This is what makes the final product feel professional and alive. Once the arrangement of all the clips feels right, there's one last crucial step, the final polish. To make all these different shots feel like they belong in the same world, I'll apply a single color grade or a LUT over the entire timeline. This instantly makes the project look more cohesive and cinematic. I'll also add a few simple transitions, like a cross dissolve, to smooth out some of the cuts between different scenes. And with that, our AI music video is officially complete. Let's take a look at the final result.
Electric fever in the air. We're alive, no time to spare. Move your body, don't you care? Electric fever everywhere. Electric fever in the air. We're alive, no time to spare. Move your body, don't you care? Electric fever everywhere.
Not bad, right? And there you have it. From a single prompt in Suno and just one starting image in Gemini, we've built a complete dynamic music video. The fact that this is possible is absolutely incredible. This was just one basic example, but imagine applying this workflow to your own songs and your own creative ideas. The possibilities are truly endless. Finally, I'll export this in 4K, and our AI music video is ready to upload. If you found this video helpful, a like and subscribe to my small channel would be amazing. And if you want to learn more Suno tricks or see how to get even more consistent character models in Gemini, I've got videos linked right here. Those will save you hours of trial and error. Let me know in the comments what you plan on creating. And seriously, try this today while these tools are still free before they start charging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.